exchange. Today we're going to be looking at this 1990 Holden Barina. This four-door sedan is a manual and has a surprisingly clean interior. I found this car on a Facebook page in my area for sale for $100, which I thought was a great deal for a manual, so I decided to pick it up. But the car is not without its problems. The clutch is extremely worn, the boot has zero space in it for anything, and the gas struts in them don't work either. It's also got a few panels that are completely stuffed, like all the paint scratched off, like the front bumper, and the steering wheel has a huge chunk taken out of the back. But for $100, what can you expect? Anyway, let's go and look around the car. So here's the Barina that we just picked up. Yeah, I'm just going to have a look around in it. So, got a steering wheel, which is good. Manual. Handbrake. This is mine, I'll just have that in here. So first we'll look, just a bit of a look around, we'll just have a look in here. Okay. There's personal information I can't show you, but there's a cassette. What's this for cassette, buddy? Around the world. There you go. We've got some scissors, got some Vic Road stuff I can't show you, just a random book. And more Vic Road stuff, some tissues, and some more scissors. There you go. Silly little box. Little ashtray. Nothing behind there. Nothing in here. No. Oh, see. This thing fell off. Yeah, there's money down there. Hang on. Gee, so this thing originally cost me $100. Let's see how much it's cost us now. Alright, so here's the money just out of that thing. Let's bring up a money counter right down there. So we got $98, $97, $95, $94, $92, $91.50. James struggling to do maths. $91.10. Is that right? That's probably right. We're going to calculate this later. $91.10. $90.80, $90.60, sorry for my terrible math, so that's what we got so far. So $90.60 for this car. Oh, that isn't too bad for a manual. What we got in the back? We got my jerry can that I already had. Not too much in the back here. No money in there. Just a bug or something. Yeah, this one. Nothing. Oh, how about down there? These things open. There you go. Oh! There you go. We got some money down here. A little pile here. So what did we have? We had $90.60. So $90.40. $90.30. 20 cents, 15 cents, $9.50, 15 cents, and $2 here, so $88.15 for this car so far. That's pretty good. This money here, that's pretty good. Oh, whenever I sell a car, I always come in and get all my money out, but they obviously didn't. Oh well, more for me. That's the mod fund right there. Anyway, let's go have a look at the boot. Okay, so we got this happening at the moment. Not perfect, but it'll do. And under here, just pull back the carpet, just so have a quick look. We still have a spare tyre. Oh, and the jack and all that. Coming out. Oh, we got all that there. Yeah, still got all the jack tools and the... Yeah. it looks like there's a tyre iron down there. That's alright. That's not bad then. Yeah, cool. No extra money though, so. Oh well. Still have all the tools. Love that. Here is our first unwelcomed visitor. Look at him. I know he's only tiny, but he's not staying here. That's the problem, mate. So that's it for the first impressions of the Barina. I'll pretty much showed you everything now. I'll go inside for the night tonight, and we'll come out tomorrow and we'll start actually modding it and go for a bit of a drive as well. Hopefully Hugh will be around, but if not, you're stuck with me. Anyway, see you tomorrow. I couldn't help myself. I found this looking spider gear knob that was off another paddock car that I had. Just gonna replace this old boring one, I reckon. Doesn't look, so it doesn't screw on, but it still looks cool though. Yeah. Not too shabby. Hang on, I've got a good idea though. So we'll get some of my old friend. Where's the top of it? Electrical tape. Rightio, give it a little bit more of a push on there, and now it's actually on now. You can pull it off, I'm not going to. So now, you can cycle with the gears in style. That. Not bad. Rightio, so we're about to take this thing for a quick drive around the yard. Now I do notice that it has got this little problem when you first start it up, that it revs off a stick for a little bit, so you just got to give it a quick, then it drops back down. Now, I'm not very experienced manual driver, so don't tease me. Don't tease me for stalling. Alright, we're still going. Oh, and the second camera's cracked it. Oh, shit, hang on. There you go. Into first. The clutch is extremely worn on this thing, so it's not my fault all the time. I am not a very good manual driver though, so that's half the problem. Non-power steering. Oh, here comes Dad. Oh yeah, there's a big bumpy bit. Oh. Up one. Oh, this is gonna send the camera flying. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, so that shut off. Let's go again. Ooh, sorry about the terrible camera angle here, I've just got to get around this really tight bend. There we go. Yeah, so my yard is not very level, that's why this video is going to be terrible. If I was to head out in the backpack, it'd be a little bit better, which we might do a little bit later. But at the very moment, this seems to be alright. Ah, send me bloody camera into the side again. Alright, I think it's pushing itself. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go again, camera's going. Oh, that's always fun. Oh, no. Oh, let's make the tight turn. Rightio, that's the second lap. Yeah, I don't know how the camera's going. Let's find out. Rightio. Let's have a quick look at the bloody camera. Or even recording, that would have been terrible. So hopefully I set a new camera angle that doesn't go kaput. And this bit, oh, there we go, that was alright. Then it was even rougher bit, can you handle it, mate? Oh, you can! Get me thinking, hang on. Let's get around this tight bend. And I change hands, oh, here we go. I have to learn to steer with my left hand. Here we go. On the steering wheel on the whole shot. Might just scrap this entire clip. Oh yo, okie smoky dokie. Right. My dad doing something weird over there. Let's try my reversing skills. Ooh. Person skills aren't that bad. That will just about do it, I reckon. We'll just keep bringing in for a quick park. There we go. There we go, we've gone for a drive around the block and also had a look around it. It's actually not too much bad of a car for a manual, and it only cost me $88.25. Of course it does have the problems, like it's the clutch is extremely worn, the boot doesn't stay up, but still problems we can fix in another episode. Speaking of other episodes, the next episode I hope you're actually modding this thing. I'm thinking of exhaust upgrades, the paint, maybe even an iPad dash install. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. That being said, if you like my video, make sure you click on these boxes up here whenever the outro is, and check out my Instagram for videos and photos of projects that I do before the video comes out, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully see you in the next one.